My name is Tina Nightingale and I'm 44 years old. I think this project is a great opportunity to empower women and make them feel good about themselves. This year I chose to be in this project to show the world what women in education do for the community, for children, families, and I thought that this would be a great opportunity to share our story. I would encourage every woman to be self-confident, be assertive, and follow their passion in life, because you can do it. What I think about the photo shoot. At first, I was a little hesitant and maybe a little bit anxious, but then I got here and I got my makeup done. I got to dance and have fun and make myself look sexy, even though I don't think I do all the time, but it was an amazing opportunity and fun activity to do, and I would encourage anyone to do it.